Ready to explore and reveal? Dive into today's question and uncover the answers together.
Holding your breath can stop hiccups fast by raising carbon dioxide levels, which helps reset your diaphragm. It works for many, but not everyone. Usually, hiccups go away on their own. If they last over 48 hours, see a doctor. So, try this simple trick, but remember, it's not a guaranteed cure.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.